This knockout box is normally found at the end of a parallel flow mixing drum. The material velocity decreases as it enters the wide open space. As the material goes upward against the flow of gravity while changing direction and slowing down, more material comes in contact with the side wall. Operation. Start up the fan with the damper fully closed to save on fan and motor life. Be sure to open the damper for proper purge before starting the fire. Warm up the baghouse slowly until the stack reaches 220 degrees. This usually takes about 5 minutes. If low fire operation causes the gas temperature to rise too quickly, the damper may be opened further and/or the firing rate should be lowered. Temperature into a baghouse should be high enough to keep the outlet at 220 degrees or above. If these temperatures are hard to achieve, veiling flights may have to be removed. Flight removal procedure may be to remove 4 flights at a time, then check the results. Flights may have to be added in the summer and removed in fall. Bolt-on flights or adjustable sawtooth veiling flights may be considered. Bags used are normally Nomex bags. Nomex should not be exposed to temperatures higher than 425 degrees. Baghouse inlet high temperature limits should be set near 375 degrees. Cool down baghouse at the end of the production day by allowing the exhaust fan to pull the air through the plant with the burner off at 1/3 damper position until the stack reaches near ambient temperature. It is best to leave the dust cake on overnight so it may be used at the beginning of the next day's production. At low production rates, for high recycle rates or dryers with poor veiling flights, the temperatures of the baghouse inlet thermocouple probe location can be significantly higher or lower, 100 degrees or so, than the temperature on the other side of the duct. Unsuspecting operators may find their bags prematurely deteriorating because of high temperatures or bags plugging because of low temperatures. Proper operation and maintenance dictates that every baghouse have 2 temperature indicator high temperature cutout, one at the inlet and one at the outlet. These indicators must be FM and UL approved, as high temperature limits for fast reacting. Thermocouples must be pencil thin for fast reacting. Many bags and baghouses are destroyed because it took way too long for non-FM approved temperature indicator limits or fat thermocouples to shut down the burner. When drying with fuel oil, check dust often to make sure dust is not becoming oily because of incomplete combustion. Dust becomes dark in color. The oily dust plugs up the bags and can start on fire when exposed to high heat. The dust may be easily checked from a gate valve mounted to the bottom of an auger or dust blower pipe.